Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your floors, only to feel like the chore is never ending? Enter the world of robot vacuums. Smart, efficient, and designed to lighten your cleaning load. In this video, we'll explore the best robot vacuums on the market, highlighting their features, performance, and value. Whether you have pets, hardwood floors, or a busy household, there's a perfect robot vacuum tailored to meet your needs. Let's dive in and discover the future of effortless cleaning. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your floors clean, the eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum could be your perfect solution. With its sleek 2.85-inch profile, this compact vacuum efficiently navigates your home without causing any disturbances, allowing you to go about your day while it quietly works. Designed with advanced technology, the eufy vacuum can operate for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors, providing consistent suction power and performance. You'll appreciate its Boost IQ technology, which automatically adjusts suction levels within 1.5 seconds based on the type of surface it encounters, ensuring that whether it's hard floors, tiles, or medium carpets, every area receives the optimal clean. Safety and efficiency are top priorities with the eufy robot. Its anti-scratch tempered glass top cover protects it from wear and tear, while the infrared sensors help it navigate around obstacles seamlessly. Additionally, the drop sensing technology prevents it from tumbling downstairs, allowing you to trust it to clean your entire space without worry. With its self-charging capabilities, the eufy 11S Max always stays ready to tackle your cleaning needs, empowering you to enjoy a tidy home without the added effort. Transform your cleaning routine with this intelligent and reliable vacuum designed to make your life easier so you can focus on what truly matters. At number 4, Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum. If you're seeking a smarter way to keep your home clean without constant upkeep, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum is designed with your needs in mind. With its innovative 7-week hands-free cleaning feature, you won't have to worry about emptying the dust bag frequently. The 2.7-liter sealed dust bag effectively collects pet hair, dirt, and debris, allowing extended cleaning cycles to keep your space consistently tidy. Equipped with 10,000 Pascal Hyperforce suction power, this robot vacuum tackles dirt and pet hair from a variety of surfaces: wood, tile, marble, and carpet, ensuring comprehensive cleaning every time. The dual anti-tangle design minimizes hair wrapping issues, letting you spend less time troubleshooting and more time enjoying your clean home. In addition, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus combines both vacuuming and mopping capabilities. Its advanced system effectively captures even the thinnest dust particles that often go unnoticed, adapting effortlessly with 3 adjustable water flow settings depending on your specific cleaning needs. The PreciSense light detection and ranging navigation system ensures precise mapping of your home, enabling efficient and optimized cleaning paths, ideal for homes with multiple rooms or pets. Take control with the Roborock app, allowing you to manage your cleaning effortlessly, whether you're at home or on the go. Transform the way you clean and enjoy the luxury of a consistently well-maintained home without the hassle. Number 3, we have the Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum. If you're seeking a reliable solution for effortless home cleaning, the Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum may be just what you need. This advanced vacuum features powerful suction capable of tackling dirt and debris across various floor types, ensuring a thorough clean in your home. Its innovative matrix clean navigation utilizes a precise grid pattern, allowing the vacuum to cover every inch of your space and address even the toughest messes. One standout feature is the self-emptying base, which can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. With true high-efficiency particulate air filtration, it captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns, making it an ideal choice for households with pets. You'll appreciate how its self-cleaning brush roll effectively lifts pet hair, dander, and other allergens, contributing to a healthier living environment. The 360-degree light detection and ranging vision allows the vacuum to expertly map your home, adapting to obstacles and changing layouts. Additionally, controlling this vacuum is a breeze. Schedule cleanings or start an on-demand session using voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. For extended cleaning sessions, the Shark AV2501AE boasts a runtime of up to 120 minutes. And if it needs a recharge, it will return to the dock and resume cleaning right where it left off. Elevate your cleaning experience with this smart, hands-free solution that fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. At number 2, Roomba 104 Robot Vacuum. If you're looking for an efficient solution to keep your floors spotless, the Roomba 104 might be just what you need. This advanced robot vacuum features powerful suction, offering 70 times more cleaning power than traditional models. Designed to effortlessly handle messes on both carpets and hard floors, it uses a multi-surface brush and an edge-sweeping brush for optimal dirt and dust removal, along with a microfiber mop pad to ensure your floors shine. With the auto-empty dock, you can enjoy up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning. The dock collects debris in a bag that traps 99% of allergens as small as 0.7 microns, ensuring a cleaner home without the mess of emptying a traditional vacuum. Equipped with clear-view light detection and ranging technology, the Roomba 104 smartly maps your home for comprehensive coverage, smoothly navigating obstacles and preventing falls. When mopping, it automatically detects carpets, keeping them dry and free from water damage without needing complex setups. Customize your cleaning routine effortlessly using the Roomba Home app. You can set specific cleaning modes such as vac only, mop only, or a combination of both, adjusting the cleaning passes and moisture levels based on your preferences. The built-in mop features a micro pump that maintains optimal dampness for deeper cleaning, ensuring your floors remain beautifully cleaned. With the Roomba 104, your cleaning tasks can become significantly easier and more effective, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum. If you're seeking a powerful, efficient cleaning solution for your home, the Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum might be exactly what you need. This innovative device boasts extraordinary 8,000 Pascal suction power, making it effortless for you to capture dirt, debris, and pet hair from deep within carpets, rugs, and hard surfaces, leaving every corner of your space immaculately clean. The all-in-one docking station takes convenience to the next level. It automatically empties dust into a sealed 2.7-liter bag that lasts for up to 7 weeks, while a 4-liter water tank refills itself to cover extensive areas. The docking station also washes and dries the mopping pads, ensuring your robot is always ready for its next cleaning task. You'll appreciate the tangle-free brush system designed to handle hair efficiently without getting tangled. This feature is especially beneficial if you have pets, allowing you to enjoy a cleaner home without the hassle of hair clogs. Equipped with reactive tech obstacle avoidance, the robot vacuum deftly navigates around furniture and tight spaces, preventing interruptions to its cleaning routine. The dual spinning mops enhance its capabilities, effortlessly scrubbing away tough stains across varying floor types. With the advanced PreciSense light detection and ranging navigation, you benefit from real-time mapping and efficient cleaning tailored to your home. The Qrevo series remembers up to 4 floors, adapting to your space's unique layout and ensuring a thorough clean every time. The Roborock Qrevo makes maintaining a pristine home easier than ever. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which robot vacuum you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.